15 tips to crush your first year in a new career. Starting a new career is exciting yet daunting. These 15 practical tips will help you navigate challenges, build confidence, and lay a strong foundation for success in your first year. 1. Start with a learning mindset. Embrace your beginner status as a strength, not a weakness. A learning mindset means assuming you have much to discover and approaching each task with curiosity. This openness accelerates growth and builds respect from colleagues who value humility over bravado. Ask questions, even basic ones, to clarify processes and expectations. Seek out resources like industry blogs, internal documentation, or mentorship to deepen your knowledge. Avoid pretending to know more than you do, it risks costly mistakes. Instead, let your eagerness to learn shine through in meetings and daily tasks. Curiosity helps you uncover nuances that others might overlook, giving you an edge. Over time, this mindset transforms initial uncertainty into expertise. By staying teachable, you'll adapt faster, contribute meaningfully, and earn trust. Arrogance stalls progress. A learner's humility fuels it. 2. Master the basics first. Before aiming for innovation or expansion, focus on excelling at your role's core responsibilities. These foundational tasks are the backbone of your job, and mastering them builds trust and credibility. Study job descriptions, ask for clarification on key duties, and practice until they become second nature. Resist the urge to overhaul processes or chase flashy projects early on. Without a solid base, you risk overextending yourself. For example, if you're in sales, perfect your pitch and client follow-up before experimenting with new strategies. Consistency in the basics demonstrates reliability, which colleagues and managers notice. As you gain confidence, you'll spot opportunities to improve or innovate without compromising quality. Early mastery of essentials also frees mental energy for learning advanced skills later. Prioritize depth over breadth to create a strong foundation for long-term success in your role. 3. Listen twice as much as you speak. In your first year, prioritize listening over talking to grasp your workplace's dynamics. Pay close attention during meetings, one-on-ones, and casual conversations to understand team culture, power structures, and unspoken rules. Ear on, ego off. Absorbing others' perspectives reveals how things actually work, beyond org charts or manuals. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions to show engagement without dominating discussions. For instance, notice who influences decisions or how conflicts are resolved. Listening also helps you avoid early missteps, like proposing ideas that ignore existing realities. Colleagues will appreciate your attentiveness, fostering trust. Over time, you'll gain insights that inform smarter contributions when you do speak. This habit isn't passive, it's strategic. By observing and absorbing, you'll navigate complexities with ease and build a reputation as someone who gets it. Speak less, learn more, and grow faster. 4. Get clear on expectations. Ambiguity in a new role can lead to wasted effort or missteps, so clarify expectations early. Schedule a meeting with your manager within the first week to discuss your role's goals, priorities, and how success is measured. Ask specific questions. What deliverables matter most? Are there key deadlines or metrics? Understanding these details helps you focus on what drives impact. Revisit these conversations periodically, as priorities can shift. Don't assume. Vague assumptions lead to misalignment. For example, if you're in marketing, confirm whether brand awareness or lead generation is the top goal. Clear expectations also help you track progress and seek feedback confidently. Document agreed upon goals to stay aligned and demonstrate accountability. By proactively seeking clarity, you'll work smarter, avoid guesswork, and position yourself as a focused, results-driven team member who understands the mission. 5. Build relationships intentionally. Your colleagues are your greatest asset in a new career, so invest in relationships early. Make time to connect with coworkers across teams and levels. Lunch chats, coffee breaks, or virtual check-ins work well. Ask about their roles, challenges, and experiences to build rapport and understand the organization's ecosystem. These connections provide support, insights, and opportunities down the line. Be genuine. Forced networking feels transactional and backfires. For example, if you're in tech, bond with designers or marketers to grasp cross-functional workflows. Attend team events or volunteer for collaborative projects to deepen ties. Strong relationships also make asking for help or feedback easier, reducing isolation. A diverse network enhances your influence and visibility without needing to boast. By prioritizing authentic connections, you'll create a support system that accelerates your growth and makes work more enjoyable. 6. Take smart notes. Effective note-taking is a secret weapon in your first year. Document processes, feedback, and best practices to create a personal knowledge base. Use tools like Notion or a simple notebook to record how tasks are done, key contacts, or insights from meetings. For instance, jot down steps for generating reports or tips from a colleague's demo. This habit reduces repeat questions, showing initiative and attention to detail. Organize notes by topic for quick reference, and review them regularly to reinforce learning. Smart notes also help you track feedback trends, like areas for improvement. When you revisit early notes, you'll see how far you've come, boosting confidence. Colleagues and managers notice when you reference past discussions accurately, it signals professionalism. By capturing knowledge systematically, you'll work more efficiently and build a reputation as a dependable, detail-oriented team member. 7. Ask for feedback regularly. Waiting for annual reviews can leave you blind to growth opportunities, so seek feedback proactively. After completing tasks or projects, ask your manager or colleagues for specific input. What worked well? What could be better? For example, after a presentation, inquire about your delivery or slide clarity. Frame requests positively to show you're eager to improve, not fishing for praise. Act on feedback quickly to demonstrate responsiveness. Small adjustments compound over time. Regular check-ins also keep you aligned with expectations and prevent surprises. Don't fear criticism, it's a roadmap to excellence. If feedback is vague, ask for examples to clarify. This habit builds trust, as it shows you value others' perspectives and are committed to growth. By seeking input consistently, you'll refine your skills faster, avoid entrenched mistakes, and position yourself as a proactive, coachable professional. 8. Deliver small wins quickly. Early wins build momentum and credibility, so seek opportunities to deliver tangible results fast. Identify low-hanging fruit, tasks or projects where you can shine without overextending. For example, if you're in customer service, resolve a client issue efficiently or streamline a small process. Focus on quality execution over grand gestures. Small, consistent successes add up. Communicate these wins humbly to your manager, like mentioning a completed task in a status update. Quick wins demonstrate reliability and initiative, earning trust from colleagues. They also boost your confidence, making bigger challenges feel approachable. Don't wait for perfect conditions, act within your current skill set. Track these accomplishments to reflect on progress and share during reviews. By prioritizing early, achievable results, you'll establish a strong foundation for long-term impact and prove you're a valuable contributor. 9. Understand the bigger picture. Knowing how your role fits into your team's and company's goals amplifies your impact. Early on, study the organization's mission, strategy, and key priorities. Ask your manager how your work supports broader objectives, like revenue growth or customer satisfaction. For instance, if you're in operations, learn how your tasks improve efficiency or reduce costs. This context helps you prioritize effectively and make decisions that align with the company's vision. It also makes your work more meaningful, as you see its ripple effects. Share ideas or questions that show you're thinking beyond your to-do list. It signals strategic awareness. Understanding the bigger picture also prepares you for cross-functional collaboration, as you'll grasp other teams' goals. By connecting your daily efforts to the company's success, you'll work smarter, add more value, and position yourself as a big-picture thinker. 10. Stay organized. Strong organizational skills set you apart in a new career. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management apps, e.g., Trello, Asana, to track tasks, deadlines, and priorities. Break larger projects into manageable steps to avoid overwhelm. For example, if you're in event planning, create checklists for venues, vendors, and timelines. Regularly review your schedule to stay proactive, not reactive. Organization prevents missed deadlines or sloppy work, which can erode trust early on. It also frees mental space for creative problem-solving. Share your progress clearly in meetings or updates to show reliability. Colleagues notice when you're on top of details, like following up promptly or delivering polished work. Good organization isn't flashy but quietly builds your reputation as a dependable professional. By staying structured, you'll reduce stress, boost efficiency, and lay the groundwork for handling bigger responsibilities. 11. Manage your energy, not just your time. High performance depends on energy, not just hours worked. Protect your focus by identifying when you're most productive, morning or evening, and tackling complex tasks then. Limit distractions, like excessive notifications, to maintain deep work. Take short breaks to recharge. A 5-minute walk or stretch can reset your mind. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and nutrition to sustain stamina. Burnout undermines progress. For example, if you're in a creative role, guard uninterrupted time for brainstorming. Say no to low-priority tasks that drain you, politely redirecting to what matters. Energy management also means setting boundaries, like avoiding after-hours emails if possible. By aligning your best energy with high-impact work, you'll deliver quality results consistently. This approach boosts confidence and earns respect, as colleagues see you thriving, not just surviving. Sustainable energy fuels long-term success in your new career. 12. Handle mistakes gracefully. Mistakes are inevitable in a new role, but how you handle them defines your professionalism. When you err, own it quickly, don't deflect or hide it. Apologize sincerely, explain what happened without excuses, and propose a fix. For example, if you miss a deadline, notify your manager promptly with a plan to deliver ASAP. Learn from the mistake by analyzing what went wrong and how to prevent it next time. Document these lessons to track growth. Colleagues respect transparency and accountability over perfection. Don't dwell on errors, focus on solutions and moving forward. Seek feedback to ensure you're on track post-mistake. This approach builds trust and shows resilience. By handling missteps with grace, you'll turn setbacks into opportunities for growth, proving you're adaptable and committed to excellence in your new career. 13. Stay visible, without bragging. Visibility matters in a new role, but it's about impact, not self-promotion. Keep your manager informed with concise updates on your progress, like a quick email summarizing completed tasks. Share successes humbly, credit teammates when appropriate. For example, after finishing a project, mention its impact in a team meeting without exaggerating your role. Volunteer for visible projects, like presentations or cross-team initiatives, to showcase your skills. Ask thoughtful questions in discussions to demonstrate engagement. Avoid hiding in the background. Quiet competence can go unnoticed. At the same time, steer clear of boastful behavior, which alienates colleagues. Visibility builds when you contribute meaningfully and communicate results naturally. This balance earns respect and keeps you top of mind for opportunities. By staying visible with humility, you'll strengthen your reputation as a valuable, collaborative team member. 14. Invest in skill building. Identify 1 or 2 skills critical to excelling in your role, then actively develop them. For example, if you're in data analysis, learn advanced Excel or Python through online courses or tutorials. Dedicate time outside work hours if needed. Platforms like Coursera or YouTube offer accessible resources. Practice new skills on small tasks to build confidence before applying them to bigger projects. Seek feedback on your progress to refine your approach. Skill building shows initiative and commitment, impressing managers who value growth-oriented team members. It also keeps you competitive in a fast-changing job market. Track your learning milestones to stay motivated, like mastering a new tool or completing a course. By investing in targeted skills, you'll boost your performance, add more value, and position yourself for future opportunities in your career. 15. Stay patient with yourself. Mastery takes time, so embrace progress over perfection in your first year. You'll face challenges, complex tasks, unfamiliar processes, or moments of doubt. Instead of fixating on flaws, celebrate small milestones, like nailing a presentation or learning a new system. Recognize that even seasoned professionals feel uncertain sometimes. Confidence is often a facade. When frustrations arise, step back, breathe, and reassess calmly. Break big goals into manageable steps to avoid overwhelm. For example, if a project feels daunting, focus on one piece at a time. Seek support from colleagues or mentors to gain perspective. Patience builds resilience, helping you navigate setbacks without losing momentum. Reflect on how far you've come since day one to stay grounded. By giving yourself grace, you'll maintain motivation, grow steadily, and build the foundation for long-term success in your new career. Your first year in a new career is a unique opportunity to grow, connect, and excel. By applying these 15 tips, you'll build skills, confidence, and relationships that set you up for long-term success. Stay curious, stay resilient, and keep pushing forward. You've got this.